Welcome everyone to our midweek analysis this evening. So today we're gonna be going through our usual pairs. Um, that is the dollar index, starting with the dollar index, moving over to the FX pairs, then crypto, then indices as well. So before we even get started, don't forget we have the 30% discount that is still running till tomorrow at 11:59 p.m. So make sure you all get your instant funded account 30% off or instant funded. Yeah, so make sure you get that before it completely ends. So without further ado, let us now get into our midweek analysis. Oh my gosh, it's the daily. Right, so we are now on the 4 hour. So, dollar index. Since NFP, it has been pushing down even further. So the question is, where are we gonna go from here? Well, right now it seems like our next level is definitely gonna be at this level of support. So we might be coming all the way down to 9760, then probably bouncing from this level, coming all the way up, probably back into the 99 level. So for the remainder of the week, I do think we could be coming down here, closing probably red for the week again, and then we could be bouncing off here. The next week, we could be seeing some more upside movement. So let's now move over to dollar Mexican. So dollar Mexican is also following in suit with dollar index. So we have been looking for buys. But the question is this buy gonna hold? Well, it broke here, broke the resistance, went all the way up to this resistance, and we're looking to come all the way up here, and then it just immediately reversed. It happens in trading, so you have to always be aware of these things. So the question is, are we going to drop all the way down here? Well, maybe, just maybe, but we're yet to see. We're yet to see. If by the end of the week we're probably somewhere here, then maybe we can continue dropping for the remainder of the week, or we could be bouncing from off this level and then continue to the upside. Let's look at dollar yen. So dollar yen, also same scenario as dollar Mexican. Trend line has been broken. Of course, as we see here, I think I also shared this in the Discord group. The trend line has been broken. The question is, where are we going to go from here as well? We pulled all the way down, and this seems to have been a pullback all the way to 148. So it might be actually even coming all the way down here to finish the job. So by the end of the week, we could even be somewhere around 146.50. And then we could be coming all the way down here. So let's see how this week ends. And then let's look at euro dollar. Euro dollar is almost the same scenario with dollar index. So it seems like we could be coming back up here after everything we've been through. Yeah, we could be coming all the way back up here at 17750. So let's keep an eye watch on that for the remainder of the week. There is no other resistance level, so this makes it also a bit tricky. We might see this just even drop all the way down and find out that this was just an overall 70% pullback, which is great, Like, if you're looking to get discounts on trades, it's best to look for them when they are 70% discounted, like all the way down here, and then pulls all the way back up, probably into these areas. Then you short it from there with the high stop loss, then you aim for the low. Then you can have a very good trade in that regard. So that is what I'm talking about. For example, right here, We had the move up, then we had this pullback over here. This was like almost 8% pullback, and then we pushed all the way up. Yeah, usually that's what we're looking for in trading. So that is what this could be as well. So, but we're yet to see. We're yet to see. CAD Swiss, nothing much really going on. Just seems like we are in another consolidation. CAD Swiss is really becoming an hard nut to crack. Well, if you see this, just consolidation drop. So this could be another consolidation and a drop, but we are yet to see what actually happens. But yeah, I'm still anticipating a further drop since the overall trend is to the downside. So that is what we are looking for. Let's look at pound yen. Pound yen is in an interesting situation. It dropped all the way down. It did not hold support, continued to jump in, and we seem to be holding at this point. We seem to be holding at 95500. Tomorrow is a big day. We have pound interest rate, but like I said, this could be like what happens with Ethereum. Like it dropped out of this consolidation box, this type of consolidation exactly like this, and afterwards, once it dropped, it continued all the way up and just kept on going all the way up. So we could be having that situation as well on pound yen, but we yet to see. Tomorrow is a big day. There is anticipation that they could be cutting interest rates on the pound. The forecast is just actually 4% from 4.5%. So is it 4.5% or 4.25%? Let me have a look again. Righty. So it's actually 4.25%. So that is what we're anticipating for tomorrow. So what are we up to next? Oh, pound dollar, pound dollar, pound dollar. Right, sorry. So pound dollar, same scenario, but this is a bit different. Here we already had a pullback coming for it. So we're reaching a level of resistance here. So the question is, will we break this resistance? We're yet to see. We're yet to see tomorrow. But overall, this drop that is already here looks like we could be coming back all the way up here. So my bet is coming all the way up to 35750. Right, let's now move over to gold. Oh my gosh, we have so many lines in gold. Let us just clear all of this, because this is a bit too much. Okay, right now that looks clean. So gold, NFP made gold shoot all the way up. I do think we could be coming all the way up here to 3440. Right now, it seems like we are in a triangle movement over here. Like what do they call this? A bullish flag? Yeah. Yeah, we should be in a bullish flag right now. So this is what we could anticipate for gold right now. So we might consolidate it and break all the way up, and probably come all the way up here. And let's look at NAS 100. So NAS 100 has been recovering ever since NFP, like it's a nice V-shaped, then a pullback, then continuation up. So again, this could be a 50% retracement thing again. Oh, it's not 50%, like it's 70%. So probably in this area, I think we are probably done for the year with NAS 100. I think we should be seeing some pullbacks of some kind. So, into this area, I think we could be coming into this area, then continue with a drop all the way down here to 700. That is what I'm anticipating for this coming week as well on NAS 100. Let us now look at the cryptos. So Bitcoin, it was down ever since that ONFP thing. Now we're back up to 115. So what does this mean? This just looks like we're still shallowing down. And yeah, we could be pushing up slightly. A few high highs probably coming to here, then a further drop. That's what I'm anticipating. And we could be coming all the way down here to 107, 108. So let's keep an eye and watch on that on Bitcoin. And let's look at Ethereum. So Ethereum still seems like it's in a consolidation. And right. Everything just seems so unclear with crypto right now. Yeah, it just seems also so confusing. But overall, I do think, yeah, we're still in this consolidation. Or we dripped all the way down, came back into it. Now, maybe we might have another dip coming to 3,500 for the weekend. So let's keep an eye watching that. And that's where we come to an end with our midweek analysis. I hope all of you enjoyed it. And once again, keep in mind that we have the 30% discount that is still running. August Blitz 30 is ending tomorrow at 11:59 p.m. CET. So make sure you take advantage of this offer before it ends. Right. So you all have a lovely week. Stay safe. Make sure you use a stop loss and enjoy your trading for the rest of the week. And I'll be seeing you all on Sunday or Saturday between the two, but whichever. Make sure you keep your tabs on that. But most likely it will be on Saturday, same time, same place.